Today I'm riding my HD Scrambler 350cc. Yep. For daily use, I mostly use this bike only. It's better, it's comfortable, and very handy, and good ground clearance, especially. And one more good thing about this bike is the handle. Very comfortable, and it turns well. Like if you see my Ducati, it turns only not even like half it turns mostly. This is like upper good. You can say this. Nice angle it has. Nice color. Then how was the festival? My festival went good. I even did the puja. You can see the flowers. Let's go. And some crackers around. You can check my stories and reels on Instagram. It's Harry around India. You can follow for more. And I thought I'll go for a bike morning ride in Ducati, but the climate was way too bad. It was not fog, it was smog with pollution. So cancel the idea. Maybe we'll go tomorrow morning. I'm passing by Lalbagh Road. I need to give this bike for service. Actually, this I got from some other party. He was using it. He just rode it for some 1,100 kilometers and I took it from him. And I think he didn't do the first service. So even I don't have time to do it. I thought tomorrow I'll give it for a service. And these HD service centers are very few in Bangalore, I think. When I googled, it was showing all like a little far from my place. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, I was telling about my GoPro mount in my last video. I actually got one from a local store near my store in Shantinagar. It's a Riders Arena. They have some GoPro mount for helmet which is ready to use. Like the previous one, if you see, I had a GoPro mount which I put so much like struggle on that and fixed it. Like I got some 3M stickers and which is like, I think that's an old school style. Like properly I put so much of 3M stickers and then I fixed it. But this one, it comes in a shape like full curve with the helmet, and it comes with a 3M sticker. You just need to remove the sticker and fix it. I'll show you that how it is. I felt that's a good invention for bikers. But I don't know how strong is it in speeds. At present, like after I fixed it some 2 days back. Now for inside city it's fine. I didn't feel any like shake or like vibrations in the video. When I'm in the top speed, I need to see whether it will handle or no. But the design was very good. Design is very good and compatible. How to say? It comes like a curve, full front shape. I'll show you. The video. You can have a look. once I take it to highway, and if it is not good, then definitely I'm gonna lose my GoPro. That's for sure. Hope that doesn't happen. Shit. That comes with a 3M sticker, so it should be good. Yeah. Okay. Finally, Bangalore traffic is back after festival, after a long weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, after 5 days. Finally, the traffic is on. Yep. I got it from your rider cinema. It is that helmet mount. I know that guy, that one employee, that Shabazz. You can ask him. On my previous mount, which I fixed with 3M sticker, that dual sticker, it came out like for no reason. I think that was because of rainwater. Because one day I went in rain, so then next day that mount started like coming out. I think so rain was the reason for that, but I didn't expect it. It's okay, we'll try this. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye. Follow Harry around India and subscribe in YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. Let's be connected.